Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. Today we're going to solve this question which says vegetative reproduction is a type of dash reproduction. Option A, sexual. Option B, asexual. Option C, fertilizing. Option D, pollination. So let us understand the question. It says vegetative reproduction is a type of dash reproduction. So what do you understand by vegetative reproduction? So vegetative reproduction. So as the name indicates, it is vegetative reproduction. That means it is an asexual mode of reproduction. Why? Because it includes or it involves only one parent or single parent. So this single parent will give rise to new offsprings. New offsprings. Okay. And hence these offsprings will be genetically identical to their parents as well as they'll be genetically identical among themselves. Okay, so that is what is vegetative reproduction. Here there is no involvement of gametes, like gametes are not infused here. There is no fertilization which occurs. Okay, so here one single parent will give rise to new offspring. So whereas in case of sexual method, you have involvement of two parents. So they produce male and female gametes respectively, and these gametes will fuse with each other. That is what is called as fertilization. That is sexual mode. But vegetative reproduction is a kind of asexual mode. Okay, so that is what is the answer. That is vegetative reproduction is a type of what reproduction? It is asexual reproduction. But let us look at the option. Option A says sexual reproduction. So sexual reproduction, let us see what is sexual reproduction. As I've already told you, this involves two parents, that is male and female. Okay. So they form gametes, they give rise to respective gametes, and what happens? These will fuse with each other, and that is what is called as fertilization. And that will form, this will result in the zygote, and zygote will give rise to the babies or the offspring. Hence, option A, which is sexual method, that is ruled out because we are talking about vegetative reproduction where there is involvement of one parent. But in case of sexual reproduction, there are two parents which are involved. Option B is asexual reproduction. So I have already told you asexual reproduction where only one parent is involved, and hence vegetative reproduction happens by asexual reproduction. So this is the right answer. So what about option C? Option C says fertilizing. So what is fertilizing? Fertilizing is a process where the male gamete fuses with female gamete. And this will give rise to zygote. Okay. And zygote will form the offspring. Okay. But again here, there is involvement of both male and female, two parents are involved. Hence option C is also given. It is option D. Option D says pollination. So pollination is a process which occurs during sexual reproduction in case of plants. Hence option D, which says pollination. Pollination is ruled out because this is nothing but the transfer of pollen grains. Okay, and pollen grains are nothing but they are the male gametophytes. They contain the haploid cells. Okay, it consists of one generative cells and the other one is tube cell. Okay, you can also call it as generative nucleus and tube nucleus. Okay, and that is involved in sexual reproduction. Hence, option D, that is pollination, is also ruled out. So the correct answer is asexual reproduction. So what is the question says? It says vegetative reproduction is a type of dash reproduction, that is asexual reproduction. So let us conclude. So what is the final answer? The final answer is option B, that is asexual reproduction, or you can just say asexual because that is what is given in the question. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you everyone.